viewers, this is Nafli Nazir. In this video I'm going to show how to create a thumbnail using Gimp. Let's start the video. Open your Gimp and create a new page. The shortcut is Ctrl+N. Width equal to 1280 pixels and height equal to 720 pixels. Now add your text. Now let me add some images for thumbnail. Remember, I'm creating this thumbnail for an example. You can create your thumbnail more attractive and beautiful. Okay, fine, let me add border for text. Right click on your text layer and click Alpha to selection. Now go to edit and click Stoke selections. Now, let me decorate my thumbnail by painting background. Let me take painted brush tool. Yeah, thumbnail created successfully. Let me export it as a JPG image. can create your thumbnail more beautiful. In next tutorial we'll see how to upload a video properly in YouTube and how to add custom thumbnail for